Protein is necessary for muscle repair and growth, and for that reason, people typically consume protein supplements in the form of shakes alongside their workout. Now, some believe it's best to drink a protein shake before their workout. Others argue that it should be taken immediately after you work out, and in this video, we're going to look at who is right. So the main belief pattern is that a protein shake within 30 minutes of finishing your training session will maximize benefits. This 30-minute window, commonly known as the anabolic window, is a short period of time in which your muscles are like a sponge for protein. The thought is that if you consume protein outside of the anabolic window, your body won't effectively utilize it or build muscle as efficiently. Now, research suggests that this anabolic window of opportunity is much longer than 30 minutes and may not be limited to after exercise. In fact, it may not matter if you drink a protein shake before or after your workout in terms of optimizing muscle repair and growth. Protein shake pre versus post workout. To date, only one clinical study has compared the effects of having a protein shake before versus having one after a workout on muscle strength and size. The researchers split 21 men into two groups, both of which received a protein shake containing 25 grams of protein. Now, one group received it immediately before their workout, while the other group received it immediately after. Everyone completed a whole body workout 3 times per week, and this was done for 10 weeks. Interestingly, the study found no significant differences in muscle strength or size between the groups. These results suggest that as long as you consume protein around your workout, it doesn't matter if it's before or after training. Therefore, you can choose which time you prefer or is most convenient for you. Daily protein intake may be more important. So with all this conflicting information and results, researchers recently analyzed 23 previous studies that had looked at protein intake around exercise. They found that total protein intake was the strongest predictor of muscle strength and size, regardless of whether people consumed it close to their exercise or not. Therefore, how much protein you consume per day is likely much more important than when you consume it for gaining muscle size and strength. So to summarize, it doesn't really matter whether you drink your protein shake before or after you work out. What's more important is the total amount of protein you have in the day. So if you're training hard and your protein intake is high, then you're all good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthline's Authority Nutrition YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video.